Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel ServerGyan. My name is Dr. Loken Singh and today we are going to discuss about Linux command Chattr. So what does it do, how does it work, what all features does it provide, we are going to discuss about. But before starting this video, I would like to request you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press bell icon as you will be notified for my upcoming videos. Okay, so let's discuss about Chattr command. What does it do? For example, if I have a file created, maybe I'm going to create /temp and test file. That file is created. So let me show you the file is created. If I want to delete this file, I will run command rm-rf and the file will be deleted. So if I run rm-ll and after that the file is gone. Fine. So now what if I want the file should not be deleted? So I'll create a file using touch command, and after that I will obviously list down the file, and now I will change attribute chattr chattr plus I. It means this will make this file immutable. It means file will not be deleted at all. Fine. Now if I run being root user, make sure that we are working as root user. Being super admin, we are supposed to delete this file, but if we run this command, so operation is not permitted. Fine. So what if I need to remove this file now? So I will remove this, but before this let me show you the list of attributes lsattr/temp and test file. So it means these are attributes of the file. Fine. What else can we do with this file? Okay, so let me change it to normal. Let me get back to normal. chattr -I and after that file name. Fine. So if I list now, so this is normal. Back to pavilion. It means it does not have any special attribute now. Okay, so what if I want to edit this file? I will go in /vim and maybe temp and test file I want to write. So let me write a comment here. This is a test file. Fine. I am able to save. If I want to go for concatenate, it means I want to run cat command on this, so I can. What if I want this particular file should have all the data available and should not be editable, should not be open in editable mode? It means I want that if someone tries to open this file and want to edit one more line here, maybe this is new line. Okay, let me, this is new line. So now I'm able to save, but I want that this should not happen. Or what if I go here, I delete this line and I edit something new in this file, so I'm able to do it now. I want that the particular data which is written in this file, that should not be editable. Only new user can edit some new lines, but the existing data should not get deleted. So for doing that, I will have to run a command chattr plus E. It means append. Sorry, chattr plus A. Append-only, and then test and temp and test file I will have to mention. So what if I open this file, temp and test file, if I open, if I want to delete this, or okay, let us delete a couple of words here from here. I want to go here, so it will say that cannot open file for writing. Although I am trying to quit forcefully, but it is saying cannot edit file for, cannot open file for editing. If I want to delete this file, or I want to terminate, or I want to truncate the data of this file, so that is not allowed. But what if I want to append some data in this file? So let us try to go for that. I'm going to make a comment here. This is new file and new line. If I want to open this file, okay, this is there. Now let me tell you, if I want to delete this line now and I want to once again force quit, so it will not allow me to open that file, or it will not allow me to come out of the file until unless I quit with forceful, and I shall not be able to remove anything from the file. Fine. So this is something like you are not able to modify this file and you are not able to delete the file. Okay, so what if now I want to go for rm minus rf, I want to delete the file, so operation is not permitted because you cannot modify anything on this particular file. Okay, so what else do we have with this, what else can be performed with this file? So for that you can go for man pages, chattr, Chattr, and open the man pages. So here you will find that Chattr change file attributes. All the attributes which are by default available on a file, you can change them. If you want that all the attributes on this file should be modified in recursive mode, so what you can do is, so you can run a command okay, let us create a file directory first of all, mkdir/temp, and test is the directory name. I want chattr -r plus I. It means all the files and directory which will be created inside /temp and test, so these will be with these attributes. So if I go there and I create something, maybe touch abc, is not permitted, reason being because this directory is not editable now. Fine. And if it might have contained something, or if it might have some files or directory inside, so obviously those directories are also going to be in the same fashion that these will not be editable. We shall not be able to edit anything here until unless we run this command, and now we run this command touch abc. Fine. So what if I want to edit this attribute once again, that I want all the files and directories available within this should have this attribute enabled. So obviously if I run lsattr command here and I give the file name abc, so it also has the same stuff wherein I applied on /temp and test, but wherein it is applicable for abc file as well, because I mentioned this with -r option. It means in recursive mode it is going to work. Fine. So what else is there? Let us see. Directory is not empty because that is already created. So man chattr. So for example, I'm going to show you in a nutshell. In brief, I'm going to explain you. There are three operators which works. Either you can add, it means you can add new attributes to the file. You can remove existing attributes, or you can set that all the attributes which are currently available, only these attributes should be taken care by a file, or you like equal to cause them to be the only attributes that a file have. Okay, so you can set this particular, and there are a couple of more options here. First of all, you should see that the letters small a, caps A, small c, cap C, and these are the letters which are available as an attribute to the files. Small a means append-only, that you can edit file. You cannot edit file, but you can go for append-only. Okay, if that is capital A, it means atime is not updated. What is atime? Let me show you a command which is st. It is stat is the command, and maybe I'm going to show you the file which I have recently created /temp and test file. So it says here a time, there should be something like access time. This is a time of the file, this is m time, and this is c time. So these are the attributes which are shown by the file, by the command stat. Fine. So when we are talking about this particular, so these are the attributes which we cannot change. It means that if capital A option is available here or is associated with the file with Chattr command, so it means it will not update the A time of the file. Then C for compressed, no copy on write. It means if you want to disable copy on write, so you can go for capital C. Then after D, dump will be disabled for this particular file. If you want to go for like synchronous directory updates, it means capital D option can be used. Then after extend format, if you want to go for format extension, so you can go for small e. I for immutable, it means file will not be deleted at all. J for data journaling, it means that particular option works with ext3 and 4 file system. And obviously if you want like secure deletion, so you can go for small s. It means definitely it will ask you for deletion file. Then after synchronous updates, it means all the blocks will be updated synchronously. Then after, if you want no tail merging, if you are going to use small t, it means no tail merging. Tail merging means when you are going to write a file on your hard drive, so obviously it uses some block. So if a file is using any block, so that particular block will not contain any other file's data. It means that particular block, if for example if you have a block of 512 KB and this file is going to use only 10 or maybe 15 KB, so rest of space will not be allocated to any other file. Reason being, you have disabled the tail merging option. So that can be enabled with T option, and top directory hierarchy capital T option can be used, and undeletable you can use U option. So these are some options which can be used with this particular command, which is Chattr. So there are a couple of attributes, and this is the question which is usually asked if you are going to work as system admin or maybe organization like Red Hat and maybe IBM, Oracle sort of organization where people are going to work with core Linux operating system. So those may have to face this question as an interview. Maybe they may have to face this question in their interview. Fine. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please do write that how did you find this video if you like. So please do write in comment box. If you have any further question, you want me to explain some other commands, so please do write in comment box. I shall be happy to create further videos for Linux, and thank you very much. Have a good time. Happy learning. If you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a good time.